Looking to upgrade your kitchen with something faster, smarter, and more efficient? In today's video from Smart Gadget Reviews, we are exploring the top 13 best microwave ovens that can completely transform your cooking experience. Whether you want quick reheating, advanced cooking modes, or multifunction performance, these options have you covered. From compact designs to powerful smart models, there is something for every kitchen setup. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.
Countertop Microwave Oven. The Countertop Microwave Oven is a dependable option for everyday cooking tasks and quick meal preparation at home. I like how it offers simple controls that make reheating, defrosting, and cooking easy for anyone to use. The power levels are well balanced, helping food heat evenly without overcooking or leaving cold spots. Its spacious interior allows you to fit different dish sizes comfortably, which is useful for daily use. I also appreciate the compact design that fits neatly on most kitchen counters without taking up too much space. The build quality feels solid and durable over time. It performs consistently for basic cooking needs like leftovers and snacks. If you want a straightforward microwave that delivers reliable performance, this countertop model is a practical and efficient choice. Smart Commercial Microwave Oven. The Smart Commercial Microwave Oven is built for speed, power, and heavy-duty performance in busy environments. I really like how it delivers fast heating while maintaining consistent cooking results for different types of food. The smart controls allow you to customize settings, making it easier to achieve precise results every time. It is ideal for frequent use thanks to its durable construction and reliable performance. The larger capacity makes it convenient for handling bigger portions or multiple dishes. I also found the interface simple to understand, despite its advanced features. It heats food evenly and quickly, saving valuable time. The overall design feels strong and professional. If you need a powerful and efficient microwave that can handle demanding tasks, this smart commercial option is a great investment.
Inverter Sensor Microwave Oven. The Inverter Sensor Microwave Oven offers advanced cooking technology that improves both accuracy and efficiency. I like how the inverter system provides consistent power, ensuring food cooks evenly without overcooked edges or cold spots. The built-in sensor detects moisture levels and automatically adjusts cooking time, which makes meal preparation much easier. It works well for reheating, defrosting, and cooking a wide range of dishes. The controls are user-friendly, allowing quick adjustments without confusion. I also appreciate its energy-efficient performance, which helps reduce power usage. The modern design fits nicely into most kitchens. It performs especially well with delicate foods that require precise heating. If you want a smart and reliable microwave, this inverter sensor model is a strong and practical choice. Cyclonic Inverter Microwave Oven. The Cyclonic Inverter Microwave Oven stands out with its advanced airflow system that distributes heat evenly throughout the cooking space. I really like how it eliminates cold spots and ensures consistent results every time. The inverter technology provides steady power, making it ideal for delicate cooking tasks. It handles reheating, defrosting, and cooking efficiently without overheating food. The controls are simple and easy to use, which makes it suitable for beginners. I found the performance smooth and reliable during regular use. The design looks modern and adds a stylish touch to any kitchen. It also operates efficiently, helping save energy over time. If you are looking for a microwave that combines innovation and consistency, this Cyclonic inverter model is a great and dependable option.
Fry Convection Microwave. The Fry Convection Microwave is a versatile appliance that combines multiple cooking methods into one convenient unit. I really like how it allows you to air fry, bake, roast, and microwave with ease. The air fry function produces crispy results using less oil, which is great for healthier meals. The convection feature ensures even cooking, making it suitable for baking and roasting tasks. It also performs well for standard microwave functions like reheating and defrosting. I found it very convenient for preparing a variety of dishes quickly. The build quality feels sturdy and reliable. If you want an all-in-one cooking solution, this microwave is a practical and highly functional choice. Digital Black Microwave Oven. The Digital Black Microwave Oven combines modern style with dependable performance for everyday use. I like how the sleek black finish adds a clean and contemporary look to any kitchen space. The digital controls are clear and easy to operate, making cooking simple and efficient. It offers multiple power levels, allowing you to adjust heating according to your needs. The interior space is suitable for most dishes, making it practical for daily tasks. I found it consistent when reheating and defrosting food. The compact design helps save counter space while still delivering solid performance. It also runs quietly, which is a nice advantage. If you want a microwave that looks good and performs well, this digital black model is a reliable and practical option. 4-in-1 Air Fry Microwave Oven. The 4-in-1 Air Fry Microwave Oven is designed for versatility, offering multiple cooking functions in one compact appliance. I really like how it combines microwave, air fry, bake, and grill features, making it a complete cooking solution. The air fry function creates crispy textures with less oil, which is ideal for healthier meals. The baking and grilling options add flexibility for preparing different recipes. It also works efficiently for standard reheating and cooking tasks. The controls are user-friendly, allowing easy adjustments between modes. I found it very convenient for quick meal preparation. The design looks modern and fits well in most kitchens. If you want a multi-function microwave that saves space and time, this 4-in-1 model is a great and practical investment. Compact Sensor Microwave Oven. The compact sensor microwave oven is ideal for small kitchens or limited counter space while still offering smart features. I like how the sensor technology automatically adjusts cooking time based on moisture levels for better results. It helps prevent overcooking and ensures even heating. The compact size makes it easy to place in tight spaces without sacrificing performance. The controls are simple and easy to understand, making it beginner-friendly. I found it reliable for everyday tasks like reheating and defrosting. Despite its smaller size, it delivers consistent and efficient performance. It also operates with good energy efficiency. If you need a space-saving microwave that still offers smart functionality, this compact sensor model is a practical and convenient choice for daily use.
Inverter Genius Microwave Oven. The Inverter Genius Microwave Oven is built for precision and consistent cooking performance. I really like how the inverter technology delivers steady power, ensuring even heating without overcooking food. It works especially well for delicate dishes that require careful temperature control. The controls are easy to use and offer flexibility for different cooking needs. I found it reliable for reheating, defrosting, and preparing meals quickly. The modern design fits well into most kitchen setups. It also operates efficiently, making it suitable for regular use. The performance remains consistent over time, which adds to its reliability. If you want a microwave that offers advanced features and dependable results, this Inverter Genius model is definitely worth considering for your kitchen. Retro Compact Microwave Oven. The Retro Compact Microwave Oven combines stylish design with practical performance for everyday use. I really like how the vintage look adds a unique touch to the kitchen, while still providing modern functionality. The compact size makes it perfect for small spaces or limited countertops. It features simple controls that are easy to use, making it ideal for beginners. I found it effective for reheating, defrosting, and basic cooking tasks. The build quality feels sturdy and reliable. While it may not include advanced features, it performs well for daily needs. The design makes it stand out compared to standard microwaves. If you want a microwave that offers both style and functionality, this retro compact model is a fun and practical addition.
Premium Inverter Microwave Oven. The Premium Inverter Microwave Oven offers high-end performance with advanced cooking technology. I really like how it delivers consistent power for even heating and better cooking results. It works well for reheating, defrosting, and preparing a variety of dishes. The controls are intuitive and easy to operate, even with its advanced features. I found the performance smooth and reliable during regular use. The design looks modern and adds a premium feel to the kitchen. It also operates efficiently, helping reduce energy consumption. The build quality feels durable and long-lasting. If you are looking for a microwave that combines performance, efficiency, and style, this premium inverter model is a strong and dependable choice for everyday cooking needs. Carousel Stainless Microwave Oven. The Carousel Stainless Microwave Oven is designed to provide even cooking with its rotating turntable system. I like how the carousel feature ensures heat is distributed evenly, reducing cold spots in food. The stainless steel finish gives it a modern and durable look that fits well in most kitchens. It performs well for reheating, defrosting, and cooking a variety of meals. The controls are simple and easy to use, making it suitable for all users. I found it reliable for daily use, delivering consistent results every time. The interior space is spacious enough for different dish sizes. It also feels sturdy and well built. If you want a microwave that offers even heating and durability, this Carousel stainless model is a solid and practical option.
Inverter Air Fry Microwave Oven. The Inverter Air Fry Microwave Oven combines advanced inverter technology with air frying capability for versatile cooking. I really like how it allows you to prepare crispy foods with less oil while still offering standard microwave functions. The inverter system ensures even heating and better control over cooking. It works well for reheating, defrosting, and air frying a variety of dishes. The controls are easy to use and clearly designed for convenience. I found it efficient for quick meal preparation with great texture and flavor. The modern design fits nicely into most kitchens. It also performs reliably for daily use. If you want a multi-function microwave that offers flexibility and performance, this inverter air fry model is an excellent choice.
Before we wrap up, these were the top 13 best microwave ovens that bring speed, convenience, and versatility to your kitchen. Whether you prefer a simple model or a multifunction appliance, there is something here for every need. Choosing the right microwave depends on your cooking style and daily usage. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.